birthday today, and my parents did not get me anything. Here you go. Happy birthday. This is so cute. I always love surprises. Thank you.
This is my best friend Sam. He's like an elder brother, and the one that can never go 5 sentences without teasing me. Guess whose birthday is coming?
3 more months? Even the Queen doesn't mention a birthday at that.
What? It was just enough time for you to prepare a present for the special little girl, right, Sam?
Yeah, you wish.
Every part of my life, I believe you'll be there till the end of me. And this is a story of my friendship.
Don't you ever walk away from me like that. Don't you ever give up everything on me. Don't you ever let me go. Don't you ever say no. Don't you tell me anything, it's impossible. Every day I just wonder about you. Never thought my love for you grew every day. And when I am always with you, I can stop smiling and it seems like heaven every time to make it alright.
That's on my birthday. Just great. Have you seen Sam lately?
No. Maybe he has some secret studying technique that he's going to keep to himself.
Or maybe he's preparing for my big day tomorrow. He never fails to surprise me.
Yeah.
Hi, is this Miss Jen?
Yeah?
I have a mail for you.
Thanks.
Meet me at my house tonight.
Dear Jen, do you remember the road trip few months back, where the two of us laughed so hard that the others thought we were dumb? We have conversations impossible to understand by others. I do remember the way you smile, and then quickly pretend that you're still mad whenever I try to get you back in the mood. Remember how much you love surprises. I believe you're thinking I'm behind the curtains ready to surprise you. Well, no. I wish I could, and if I could, I would. My time is running out. Promise me you will never cheat, but only to open these prepared gifts in their respective years. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. It was a brain tumor. 3 months ago, my doctor predicted that I might have 1 month left for this life to buffer. But I lasted 3. 3 months I fought bravely. 3 months, just enough time to prepare gifts for a special little girl. I want you to know that every moment I spend with you is the most beautiful thing in my life. You bring out the best of me. Love is not a big thing, but a million of these small things matters. I will miss you. We may not be together, but one thing that I'm sure, we will be best friends forever.